Okay, so welcome to lesson 4 on percent yield, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the theoretical yield is something that you're going to be finding, and what it says is calculate theoretical yield by doing a grams to grams conversion. And that is lesson 3. So if you don't know what a grams to grams or a multi-step conversion is, go back and watch lesson 3. Once you find your answer, your grams, that will be your theoretical yield, then you'll fill in the formula below. So we have actual yield divided by theoretical yield times 100. Whenever we do a times 100, this is going to be a percentage. Okay, so here are the steps right here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So we have this problem here, and the first thing is we need to do a grams to grams conversion. So we have 400 grams of H2. The actual yield is this, NH3. So what we're going to have to do first is we will have to go through and we are going to do a grams to grams conversion. So let me show you what that looks like. So this right here is the grams to grams conversion. If you are like, oh my gosh, how did we get here? Please go back and watch lesson number 3 about multi-step conversions, because this is a multi-step conversion and it'll explain how to do what you see here in purple right here. So we got 2,267 grams when we went from 400 grams of H2 to grams of NH3. This number here, this number is going to be your theoretical yield. That means in theory, this is what we got. Then the problem actually says if the actual yield is 104 grams of NH3, so that right there is the actual yield. What it says to do for step number 2 is that we're going to do the actual yield divided by the theoretical yield times 100. So our actual yield was 104 grams of NH3. And then we're going to divide by the theoretical, which was 2,267 grams of NH3. And then we multiply by 100. When we put this in the calculator, we get 4.59%. And that is the answer to this problem.